When this starts to get ratty and curl up a bit, it's time to replace it. So you just take that section off and run it along the same lines, like so, and then we have to cut it around here. Just mark it with your fingernail. Use a very sharp craft knife. Don't dig in, just do the very tip of the knife like that. And that's done. Just take off the extra bit like that, and it's done. Replaced.
And while you're at it, it's a good idea to cut along here too, so that you can lift up the dog plate, so you can unscrew it and lift it up.